Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be replacing my garage door opener. I'm going to be installing a new one and taking the old one out. This is a new one. The model number is B4613TC. It is made by Chamberlain and it is a belt drive with a 3/4 horsepower motor in here. The one I'm going to be replacing is this one. I think it's made by Craftsman. So basically this one's been acting up and it keeps losing its position. So rather than replacing this gear sprocket, which I actually have with me, I'm just going to take out this whole thing. I'm just going to be disconnecting this little lever from here, take that nut and bolt off on this right there, on the one in here, one on the other side. The end of the rod right there, I will be taking those out. It's already been disconnected, but that's the first thing I'll be doing. Take off those wires right over there. Make sure they're taken off. Yeah, once we do that, we'll continue with the installation. So here's the Chamberlain B4613TC. This is a belt-driven garage door opener, meaning that it should be way quieter. Also, it has a built-in battery backup. So even if the power goes out, I can still open and close the garage door. I will not be using the battery backup feature in this one because I don't feel I have the need to. This particular one is for a 7-foot garage door. If you've got an 8-foot door, you will need an extension kit, so just keep that in mind. Yeah, let's open it up and see what's in there. All the equipment that's in here. So we have the wires, we have some mounting brackets. There's some more connections out here. This is for the to connect to the garage door. Uh, Here's the belt and some more connections and an instruction manual, a user's guide. So there are 5 of these rods out here. So this one goes to the end and it faces the top. All right. Okay. Just to recap, we've done a little bit of assembly. It's very easy to assemble. There are 4 of these rails. They come in 4 pieces. They're exactly the same. And the 5th one is the one that I had attached over here. This is the one with the label. This one sticks up. I installed the wheel. One end of the belt hooks up to this little piece out here. The other end of the belt connects to the spring. And I put in two bolts over here. I will be taking out these old sensors and replacing them with new ones. So the next thing I will be putting is the receiver and the transmitter. Okay, that's locked. Okay, so that's one side is done. No, activate the. So mounting the door opener unit was pretty straightforward. If this is a brand new install and not a replacement, there will be a few more steps for you. So the system goes up just like the old one, and then I attach everything else as per the step-by-step online instructions. The wiring and setup was simple. Just follow the very simple instructions and make sure everything is secured before testing it out. Now for the sound test. Since my old one's dead, I'm going to test the garage door opener beside it, which is the same chain drive type. This should give us a pretty good before comparison. So as we can tell, there is a huge difference. The belt drive is way quieter. So another big upgrade is the MyQ Smart System. This lets me open, close, and check the status of my garage door from anywhere using the app. Setup is super easy. Just download the MyQ app, connect the opener to Wi-Fi, and that's it. It's ready to go. Now I can open and close my garage door from my phone. No more wondering, did I leave the garage door open? Just check the app. Yep, that works. Super convenient, especially when you're not home. Okay, so was the upgrade worth it? For me, absolutely. The belt drive is way quieter. The extra power is nice, and the smart features make life so much easier. Plus, the backup battery for some people is a great bonus in case of power outages. If you're thinking about upgrading your garage door opener, I definitely recommend checking this one out. Remember, if you've got an 8-foot garage door, you need an extension kit. That's it for this one. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.